Alright, so here's this 2012 Lennox Merit Series air conditioner that I filmed back in 2018, running. It's definitely been a while since I filmed this unit. It's the hacked up one. Exposed thermostat wire. Sloppy line set work. And then this, which is not even stapled down. It's running nice and quiet. The 2012 2-ton. That's nice and cold. And it's outdoor temperature. It's blowing nice and strong. I believe this one has a scroll compressor. And it has an, I think that's, yeah, interlink fan motor. Yeah, nice and quiet. I was happy to actually find this one running. Didn't think I would find it running, but, or if it has been running and I just get a startup of it, but yeah, here it is. It's a nice unit. Looks like it's condensating well. I don't think it's been running for long because the air is warm and the suction line is warm too, but that's blowing nice and strong. Glad to find this one running. Alright, so anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.